ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ka Working President Jongka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, ka Dr. Maisel Ampareen Lingdo, ka Balongru ka MLA Jongka East Shillong Constituency, ka Laong baka Jingkan Tho Jongki Nongelam ka NPP hagini ki khandiat sngi persha i ki kenrum kenram ki bala jia hapo ka seng Congress, ka Long Thik lakum baka NPP ka Bianglut Nadong Shadong, klem duna watang khandiat ru em. Hagajing yakren bat kilat pathai khubor ka Dr. Ampareen kalaong ba Snem arhajar arphulai Slem shu banwan bat ansaya Pait la kalong tang ya kaseng Congress lane hato ki wairu ki party kin mat ya ka jingpet seng jongki MLA bat ki nongyalam.
A way out to pin each other up, pin each other down. So it is fine to say that our house is not in order, because there have been some discussions about members planning to leave. However, politics is very flexible. You will not imagine how flexible this politics is, because politicians have to survive. Now, for the NPP to accuse us of being a divided house is an expected comment to be made from the topmost person in their party, with the elections of 2023 just round the bend. We will watch and see how many NPP members now move from left to right, right to left in the political arena. It is very simple to speak that we are a divided house, but time will tell. We in the party had to revamp party organization ahead of the elections, and this attempt to revamp our party might have brought in some friction, but that friction has not ended yet. Like every other political party, we have these in-house difficulties, which I'm sure the NPP is not void of. So with 2023 coming very quickly, we shall see whether it is only the Congress or every other party that is divided. Because ambitions of party men and women cannot be controlled by a party. When ambition establishes that an individual cannot be second in command or cannot be given a ticket from a party, obviously they will go and look for better pastures. And the democratic framework of our country allows it. The point is that post 2023, what are your numbers? How many will you bring? We should not forget, despite the fact that there was a mass exodus of some of our main leaders from the Congress party in 2017, we emerged with 21 members. 21 members. We were the single largest democratic party elected to office to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. What happened? You yourselves, the public know. And we are fortunate that there are some binding laws that have been amended over years to ensure that elected members do not act as independent players in the horse trading that is usually a common phenomenon post-elections. So that will remain binding for any member till his term completes. Some will go, some will come. Fewer members went to NPP, other members came to the Congress. So we will see where that takes us, and we will not say that all other parties do not have a divided house, because all other parties in the state of Meghalaya have the same issue, the same problem. It is something which is peculiar to the state of Meghalaya, because Meghalaya is usually a political conglomeration of leaders who win on their own personality rather than on the symbol of the party that they have chosen to fight an election. So in this peculiar nature, we will work hard as a party to ensure that our members remain within the fold, and we will prepare ourselves for the worst scenario so that our numbers don't get affected. There are certain players in the political scene who continuously go from one party to another, irrespective of the fact that they don't even win elections. So one individual left our party recently. We have tried our best. We have given him a ticket. He was unable to come out successful. We have tried to support all of his agendas. But if he feels that he sees this political mileage in joining a new party, we wish him well. We have nothing to say. One will leave, 10 will come. So we are okay with that. And we look at the contributions of these individuals, how much have they done? Because the Congress party is guided by a policy, guided by its own party policy, guided during elections by a manifesto. We have tried our best. And these political players who have their own agendas will keep moving. There is not even one political party that he has not become a member of. So it's okay. Maybe he hasn't found his satisfaction, and we hope that finally he will stop moving from one party to another till he gets that satisfaction.